It's Wednesday, January 28th, 2026, and confidence increases in a possible major winter storm on parts of the east coast of the United States. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. So let's jump straight into it. So, of course, I do want to start off with the chances for a major winter storm. So you can see right here, this is our outlook for January 31st. So pretty soon here, we are going to have this risk. So you can see that we have this blue highlighted area going from Myrtle Beach all the way up there to Boston, where we have a chance to see a winter storm. So if you're inside this blue highlighted area on January 31st, this is an area that could be impacted with a winter storm. But now, if we move into February 1st, you can see that we have actually a 15 to 30% probability for Nova Scotia. So Nova Scotia could get hit pretty hard by this thing, and then you have the 15% probability going around it for these areas. This is likely going to be a bomb cyclone, so that's pretty crazy. So it's going to be pretty big. It can dump some snow in a lot of these areas. As we go into day 6, most of the snow is going to be happening up here and near Charlottetown or whatever. So that's just what our outlooks are looking like. But of course, I do want to show you guys what the future radar looks like. So if we check out the future radar for parts of the East Coast, this thing will start developing around January 31st. We're going to have a little clipper system come down from here, and then it's going to combine with some of that energy, some of that moisture and that rain, and that's going to turn into a possibility to be a bomb cyclone. So here we are on the GFS future radar. So let's push it up to January 31st. You can see this clipper system come down. See right here, we got some snow, we got some rain. Those are going to mix together. Fast forward even more, it becomes a bomb cyclone. We're going to have some snow over here. This could be farther out to sea. This could be more inland, or it could stay the same as what the future radar is looking like right now. Fast forward a little bit more. It's looking like the low pressure system is just going to stay right off in sea. So I think the low pressure system is going to be right here, and not too far on shore. The people that are very close to this low pressure system could be getting blizzard conditions. So that's another thing to keep in mind. So that's mainly for if you live in eastern North Carolina and eastern Virginia. That's going to be the places that may get hit the hardest by this. So let's check out the future radar even more. This is what it looks like around the 31st. And then if we fast forward it up to February 1st, it's going to be causing some snow in this area on February 1st. And then if we fast forward up to February 2nd, which is going to be Groundhog Day, this is what it looks like at that point. It's going to be mainly impacting these areas. So that's what's going on. That's the future radar of this winter storm. But yeah, I think the places that will get the most snow will mainly be in this area. We could see a little bit of snow in Atlanta. This area, I don't know if we'll get too much snow. Probably won't see any snow in Florida. Maybe a little bit on the Florida Panhandle. That's a pretty low chance though. But the next thing I'm going to check out is the snow totals that you guys could be expecting out here but I think the places that could be getting the most snow is probably going to be out here in parts of Virginia and North Carolina. You guys will probably get the most snow out of this winter storm, but Boston could get a lot, and some of the places that already got some snow. So this is what it looks like for this. So let's go up to February 3rd. Over here, if we go over here towards, let's see, Kitty Hawk, maybe around 5 to 7 inches of snow possibly. And then you got New Bern, possibly around 5 to 6 inches of snow from this. If we go to Raleigh, maybe around 1 to 2 inches of snow. A little area that might not get that much snow. If we go over here to western North Carolina, you guys may get a little bit of 5 inches of snow, maybe 3 to 5 inches of snow in some of these areas. Unless you live in right here in Morganton or whatever, those cities. Charlotte, probably 3 to 4 inches of snow out of this. But Nova Scotia, you guys will probably be getting a lot of snow out of this. But let's forward even more. It looks like this area could be getting some snow out of it and stuff like that. I think Boston will be probably getting a little bit more snow. But you guys, if this storm moves more inland, of course, more of the snow will be in here on the snow totals model. So more of the snow could be more inland if the storm moves inland. This is just what it's looking like right now. But any of this could change. And guys, it is going to be cold for a lot of you guys out here. So even the people that have already been hit by the insane cold blast and the winter storm, that was pretty crazy. Like it's gonna, like, these power outages continue. It's gonna get even tougher because it's gonna get more cold. So you can see right here, look at all this cold air coming down from Canada. This is gonna be causing a lot of cold air within pretty much anywhere this way. It's gonna be pretty cold. So that's what's going on. So so make sure just to stay warm. Make sure your pets have, if you have any outdoor pets, they have a warm, dry shelter. Unfrozen water. Make sure they have water and food and stuff like that. So it's gonna get really cold. If you think it's cold, it's gonna get really cold. So yeah. So let's check out the CPC outlook so I can show you guys what the CPC is expecting. As you can see right here, we're going to be expecting above average temperatures within this area, and then we're going to be expecting more cold temperatures if you're in this area. So if you live in any of these more warm colors, which is this red, you guys are going to be expecting some above average temperatures. Hopefully this moves more east so that this gets more warm. But this whole area will be getting cold. I see a little bit of above average temperatures up here in Maine though. So, yeah, and atmospheric river up here for the Pacific Northwest. Had some rain come off into Northern California last night, but anyways, it's gonna get cold. It's gonna get cold, even if you're down here in Florida. Florida is gonna get cold down there too. Even places like Miami and Jacksonville, you guys already have freeze warnings. I mean, it's gonna get pretty cold out here, so frost and freeze conditions could kill crops, other sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. It's going to be cold down there in Florida. That's all I'm saying. Even down here in New Orleans, it's going to be cold. New Orleans, going to be cold over there. Even over here near Houston, it's going to be cold. Low water advisory even over here right now. Anyways, guys, we're probably going to have quite a few freeze warnings. We even got some cold weather advisories for parts of Ohio, Indiana, going down there towards New York City. It's going to be cold for a lot of you guys, and it's going to get even more cold. So hopefully we'll get a warm up. We could see a warm up in late February. I'm watching late February right now. We could see some severe weather in late February, so that's what I'll be monitoring. But anyways, guys, that's probably about it for today's weather forecast, and I'll see you guys in the next update video. Stay safe, and stay warm. Yeah, bye.